Hello students, welcome to online maths class. This is your maths teacher. Dear students, as you know we are continuing chapter number 7 cube and cube numbers, and yesterday we have studied properties of cube numbers from the reference of supplementary book at SB 21. So first of all, let's remind that properties again. The first property was the prime factors of a cube number appear 3 times or can be written in the group of 3. क्यूब नंबर्स की प्रॉपर्टी ये होती है कि हम उसके प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन में उसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स को ट्रिपलेट की फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी हमारे पास ये थी, अ क्यूब नंबर n कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड एज अ सम ऑफ n कंसेक्यूटिव ऑड नंबर्स. एक क्यूब नंबर को हम कितने भी कंसेक्यूटिव ऑड नंबर्स के टोटल में एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो आई हैव गिवन यू the try this question and exercise 7.1 question number 1 to practice. I hope all of you have done that. So first of all, let's check the solutions of that questions. Here is the first question, part 1. Which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? Part 1 is 216. We have done prime factorization of 216 and we have come to know that the prime factors are forming triplets, hence this is a perfect cube. You can pause the video and note down the solution, but if you have already done this and that is correct, so no need to change, but if there is any error you can change. Here is the second part in front of you. You can see two triplets have been made, but there is one 2 which is left behind, so 128 is not a perfect cube. Here is part 3, 1000. We have done prime factorization of 1000 and we have checked that there are two triplets. First triplet is of 2 and second triplet is of 5. Hence, it is a perfect cube. The next part is 100. Here is the prime factorization of 100 and you can see the triplets are not getting formed, but pair is getting formed. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि 2 नंबर्स का ग्रुप बन रहा है, not of 3. That means it can be a perfect square, but it is not a perfect cube. You can pause the video timely to note down the solutions, but if there is any error you can rectify them. Next part is 46,656. The prime factorization of this is quite lengthy, so you can check from here and you can see 1 2 3 4. 4 triplets are getting formed. 2 triplets of 2 and 2 triplets of 3. Hence all the groups are complete. Therefore it is a perfect cube. So it was all about question number 1 of exercise 7.1. Moving forward, let's discuss today's topic. Our today's topic is concept time 17, cube root. In this we shall learn how to find out the cube root of a cube number, and for this you can refer to the page SB 22 from your supplementary book. First of all, the symbol this is used to denote the cube root. बेटा पहले प्रीवियस चैप्टर में हमने ये सिंबल यूज़ किया था, बट इस चैप्टर में हम इस सिंबल में यहाँ पे 3 पुट करेंगे. ठीक है, नॉट हेयर इन फ्रंट, दिस इज़ रॉन्ग. वी विल पुट 3 इन द फुट ऑफ द रूट. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड स्क्वायर रूट एंड दिस इज़ कॉल्ड क्यूब रूट. स्क्वायर रूट में 2 पुट करने की नीड नहीं होती. अगर 2 लिखा भी हुआ है या नहीं भी लिखा हुआ तो दोनों केसेस में इट इज़ अंडरस्टूड दैट इट इज़ अ स्क्वायर रूट. बट क्यूब रूट में ये कंपल्शन होती है कि आपने यहाँ पे 3 राइट करना है. ओके, Let's start the topic how to find out the cube root of a number. As we know, a number which is multiplied by itself 3 times to give the cube number is called its cube root. अगर हम किसी नंबर को 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल मैं 2 को 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई कर रही हूँ और मेरे पास आता है 8, दैट मीन्स मैं 8 को लिख सकती हूँ क्यूब रूट 8 इज इक्वल टू 2, क्योंकि 2 को 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करने से 8 आया है. इफ़ अ नंबर इज n, देन इट्स क्यूब रूट कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड एज क्यूब रूट ऑफ n. क्यूब रूट के सिंबल के लिए दोबारा से मैं बता रही हूँ कि आपको इसके फुट में 3 डालना पड़ेगा, किसी ने भी फ्रंट में 3 नहीं डालना. ओके, हैंस यू कैन सी the cube root of 1 is 1, the cube root of 8 is 2, the cube root of 27 is 3 and the cube root of 64 is 4. अगर हम रिवर्स करके चलते हैं तो 1 क्यूब इज़ 1, 2 क्यूब इज़ 8, 3 क्यूब इज़ 27, 4 क्यूब इज़ 64. So from this concept we have learned that finding the square root of a number is nothing but an inverse operation of finding the square of the number. And similarly, finding the cube root of a number is an inverse operation of finding the cube of a number. इसका मतलब ये है कि बेटा अगर हम किसी नंबर को स्क्वायर करते हैं, ठीक है, स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट किसी नंबर का करते हैं तो वो इन्वर्स होता है स्क्वायर का. ठीक है, स्क्वायर इज इन्वर्स ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट एंड हेंस स्क्वायर रूट इज इन्वर्स ऑफ स्क्वायर. सिमिलरली क्यूब इज इन्वर्स ऑफ cube root and hence cube root is inverse of cube. Moving forward to the next topic, finding the cube root of a number using prime factorization method. Here is a question in front of you. Find the cube root of 3375 using prime factorization method. So what would be the first step? Yes, the first step would be we shall find out the prime factors of 3375 using prime factorization. Here you can see we have taken out the prime factorization of 3375 and we have written it in the form of product of prime numbers. Now our next step is we have to group the prime factors into triplets. You can see here that is 3 cube and 5 cube, and at last you can take out one member from each triplet and multiply them, hence the product will give you the cube root of given number. So cube root of 3375 is equal to 15. Now it's time for practice. Here is the question in front of you on the screen. Find the cube root of 74,088 using prime factorization, and you have 2 minutes to solve this. Now you can pause the video and take out your rough notebook to solve this question. Finally, you can check your solution. If it is correct, then very good. But if there is any error, you can rectify and understand where you have done mistake. Let's continue exercise 7.2. एक्सरसाइज 7.1 में बेटा अभी 3 क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं, बट पहले हम एक्सरसाइज 7.2 का ये वाला क्वेश्चन करेंगे, उसके बाद हम दूसरे वाले क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. तो कोई भी बच्चा कंफ्यूज ना हो कि हमने वो क्वेश्चंस क्यों छोड़े हैं. वी शैल श्योरली डू दैट क्वेश्चंस. नाउ यू कैन ओपन एक्सरसाइज 7.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. हियर इज फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Find the cube root of each of the following numbers by prime factorization method. तो सबसे पहले बेटा आपके पास दिया हुआ है 64. The first step is to find out the prime factorization of given number. That is here in front of you. 2. When we shall divide 64 by 2, will get 32. Again 32 is getting divisible on the table of 2 and we are getting 16. Again 16 is getting divisible on the table of 2 and then we are getting 8. Moving forward, following these same steps, we have completed the prime factorization of 64 and we have written it in the product of prime numbers. Now putting cube root on the both sides, 64 के ऊपर भी और जो prime factorization की है उसके ऊपर भी. Okay, as you can see the triplets are getting formed. Then in the next step we shall take out one member from the triplets and hence multiplying that numbers we shall get the cube root of 64, that is 4. You can pause the video and note down the first part. Here is next part, one more part in front of you. I shall solve only 2 parts, but rest of the parts would be your homework for today and you can check the solutions on the following day. So here is 512 given to you. The very first step is again we have to do the prime factorization and to write the number as product of prime factors. Now in this step we have put cube root on the left hand side and right hand side also, and in the next step we have taken out one member from all the triplets, hence their product is 8. Therefore the cube root of 512 is 8. You can pause the video and note down the solution. And all the rest of the parts would be your homework. तो बच्चे सबने होमवर्क के ये जो पार्ट्स हैं अपनी रफ नोटबुक में ट्राई करने हैं and tomorrow we shall discuss the solutions of these questions. That's all for today. Happy learning.